Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the long-term picks. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. Please do like and please give your views on my comment sections so that I can improve this videos. So today we are going to see the company name called Granules India. So let us open the Granules India in our TradingView window with 1 day time frame chart, because we are looking for this company for long term picks. So we not need to go for 45 minutes time frame, just we will open with 1 hour time frame, 1 day time frame chart. So this company this company looks attractive at this price. This can be have a very potential company to for a long term, I feel. The reasons and all we will going to see here. Look at this circled area. I feel this circled area and all, it's the company is not traveled up and downs. It's traveled between 80 points up and down. So the company has a very good consolidation in this area. I feel the company in the future, the company will get breaks out and it will go higher and higher. So those points we will see one by one. I feel this area is getting very good consolidation in this company. In the longer time frame chart, you can see here the company went at some peaks and it's tried to fall in downside, but it could not fall in downside. It's getting consolidated over here. You could see here in this area. I am going to mark the rectangular box for the consolidation area. You could see here the market is not went very upside or very downside. So look at this marked area, highlighted area in the arrow mark. So these three areas, I feel that the market is getting tested again and again in this point. So market try to going upside, but it is getting rejected over here. So that point we will mark as, that point is around 380 rupees it is there. So this is a very good resistance point the company is acting. 370 is a very good resistance level, I feel. You can see here it is getting tested for 3 times from 2021 January onwards till now, till June. We can see the company try to go higher and it's getting rejected over here in this area for the 3 times. So afterwards what happened? Right now in the July month, you can see here we could see the breakouts. It's getting tested and it starts moving higher. Right now it is getting breakouts. So the downside we can keep in the red color line. The downside we can keep our stop loss line. This is a very good support point, I feel, for the company. So whenever the company again reaches this level, it will get support and it will go further high, I feel. So this will act as a very good support level. We can mark it as this level is around 299. So we can keep 299 is a very good support level. When the company moves below this 299, maybe 295, we can keep that is our stop loss line for this company. So if the company moves below 295, then we not need to think about this company as of now. If it moves below this level, just we can ignore this company and we can look for some other company. Right now this is doing good. Till 299 we can hold this company, and I feel this will not happen. The company will not come back, this script will not come back to 299 again, I feel, because you can see here in the fourth time I could see a very good breakout has happened. Company has not moved up further, but right now in the past 1 or 2 weeks the breakout is happening. So the company is not getting rejected over this area. So I feel this script will get breakout in the upcoming months, maybe within July or within August 15th, first uh, first of August. We can say first of August we could see the breakouts of this from this company. So I feel the buying pressure came in this company, so we can buy for this company at these levels for for a long term also. But for that we having a short term targets also is there. So I feel the company right now it's trading at 380 or 385. So we can buy above 385 for even for short term we can buy, and for long term also we could hold this company. So for that we will make some more conditions here. I feel here I'm going to mark the short term levels for this company. The company already tested 440 as the maximum point earlier. Now if it breaks, I feel this will get breaks. So our short term target we can keep it as a 440 is our short term target. This will happen within 2 or 3 months max, that is max I'm saying. Maybe within 1 month also this may happen, but this will happen definitely because the company is at buying mode right now. So you please interested people can watch this company so that they can come to know the breakouts and the targets, short term targets. So I feel this company is a very potential company for at least for short term, maybe for long term too. So I feel this company, if it breaks this 440 levels, I mean my short term I'm expecting 440. If it is breaks 440 levels, easily this company could reach 900 is my target for long term, not for short term, for long term. Maybe 1 or 2 years we need to hold this company, that is okay, but definitely this can be a very good multi-bagger in the long term. In overall this company was performing very well, and you could see the results. Before two quarter it was very good, and last 2 quarters it was getting slightly, it is getting in sideways mode, and now again it started in upside movement. So I feel this company definitely it will reach 450 is my minimum target, and for the short term goal, and for long term if it breaks 450 above, definitely this company could reach, this company has a highly potential to reach 900 for long term. This thing may happen within maximum of 2 years. I am expecting the target of 900. So please watch this company. If it is breaks, you can add it in your portfolio for long term scripts also. I feel this company definitely it will go higher, and it will hit our targets of 900. That's what my expectation for this company. We will see the real time market in upcoming days and upcoming months, and we can redefine our views if it's not going. So this is one of my potential company I feel. So most of our methodologies for selecting the company is a very simple price action technique we are using, and we are understanding the breakouts and power buying candles, and understanding the trend so that the risk will be very less. Our methodology is very easily adaptable to anyone. If you want trading support, you can call me in this number. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.